Witness E has made explosive claims before the Matlanga Commission of Inquiry, alleging that Police Minister Senzo Mchunu was deeply invested in the murder case of former ANCYL Secretary General Sindiso Magaqa and repeatedly insisted that a crime intelligence head, General Dumisani Khumalo, was involved in the assassination. Testifying virtually with his identity protected, Witness E told the commission that Mchunu contacted him in 2024, claiming to know he had information about the case, and directly asked whether General Khumalo was behind the murder, a claim Witness E strongly denied, stating Khumalo was not part of the crime intelligence at the time and was not even in KwaZulu-Natal. The witness further revealed that Mchunu's chief of staff, Cedric Kabinde, later contacted him saying he had been tasked to investigate Magaqa's murder and had also had allegations linking Khumalo and former police minister Bheki Cele to the killing, which Witness E again dismissed as false. Witness E described Mchunu's level of interest as unusual, saying the minister frequently requested updates on related court cases but never personally attended any of the proceedings, raising serious questions about political interference as the commission continues probing corruption and criminality within the justice system.